Hello guys, welcome to my Dear Earth Love Francis YouTube channel. So today is day 14. So I was studying on what other potential impact startup that we could create and build. I went over to the housing crisis in France and um, unbelievably that there are now even housing crises in first world countries like France. Maybe because or probably because it gets more expensive. The traditional materials are getting more expensive. That's the reason why there's now quite a housing crisis in big cities like Paris. So what do we need to do then in order for France to have cheaper uh, housing? At the same time, we have like a eco-friendly construction where it's sustainable and it helps the environment. So I'm thinking of an eco-friendly modular homes using recycled materials such as waste and plastic, as well as wood, and then we create an innovative construction techniques. Okay, so we aim to provide sustainable housing solutions that can be rapidly deployed in urban areas like Paris. Okay? Now, the market potential here is huge. So the estimated will be like 500,000 new homes annually. Okay? And then, let's see here. The recycled materials that we will be using here is like what I said a while ago. It's plastic waste and reclaimed wood. And then we design the stackable modules to maximize space in urban settings. So obviously we have to do a lot of R&D, prototyping and pilot project. But once we get the pilot project moving, it's all like snowball effect from there. Okay? So this is quite cheaper compared to other traditional materials. The target cost is 2,000 to 3,000 euros per square meter. So it's significantly below than the average in Paris. Okay. Now, for the market visibility, the primary customers would be first-time home buyers, young professionals, and low to middle income families. So these are for the majority of the people living in France. But another market could be, or what I call the secondary market, is the local governments seeking rapid, affordable housing solutions, maybe for refugees, and maybe for those who needs isolation because of, for example, COVID or any other dangerous diseases that could harm other citizens in France. All right. So, of course, the social impact here is it will increase home ownership rates among younger and lower income demographics. It will reduce housing insecurity and homelessness in urban areas, so that will lessen even the crime rate. And it will also create local jobs in sustainable construction and related industries. I also like to add that we can integrate moss cement here and make it more sustainable and eco-friendly, not only to the homeowners or end users, but also to the environment. So it's not just the plastic waste that we recycle, but also we use moss cement. Okay? So, yeah, like I said, the environmental impact, we aim for net zero energy buildings through efficient design and renewable energy integration. Um, so once we have this, the estimated time from order to move in is just about 3 to 4 months. So that's really quick compared to like a year to build traditional homes. right? A year or maybe a year and a half. And then the goal, I mean, to reduce the overall housing cost is 30 to 40%. That's huge compared to conventional options in urban areas. So this is this is a good impact startup for France and for other countries as well. And if you know anything about this, let's talk about it here on YouTube. And then if you're interested, kindly share this video, like and subscribe so that we can discuss this even further. All right?